we lived for how many years? And I think naging maganda yung relationship namin.
What was the most painful part of your growing up years?
I think the most painful part ay yung maging away kami from our family kasi syempre first time namin maging independent individually. And ayun, lalo pat galing kami sa mga probinsya, mga proudly girls kami, so mahirap for us na kapag papatravel pa namin yung magulang namin to visit, ganun. So parang nakaka-uwi na lang kami kapag holidays, ganun. And also nung pandemic kasi yun talaga walang uwian. Pero nairaos naman namin siya.
Yes, and then kami din, we wake up to working, we have performances, and minsan mahirap din siya kasi we have to be famous, especially for me.
Was period painful to you?
For us girls, it depends sa level ng sakit ng mens. Kasi minsan naman kapag bearable, kaya naman namin mag-training pa rin, may limit lang yung sakit dahil may work. Pero kapag sobrang sakit na, nag-voice out naman kami na